Hello everyone and welcome to my next video. I found some amazing information from an article on quartz that basically explains what happened to US manufacturing. So let's begin. Hello everyone and welcome to my next video. I found some amazing information from an article on quartz that basically explains what happened to US manufacturing. So let's begin. Alright, I'm gonna go over the review of Quartz, the epic mixtape about manufacturing. This is a revelation, and it explains why manufacturing has declined in the U.S. and also explains the rise of Trump, and pretty much should be a warning shot again to the Democratic Party and to other political leaders that you have to address the main concern that is going on in our country about the economy. So, without further ado, let's tackle this video. Alright, as explained before, this video comes from MSNBC. I get it, liberal media, but hear them out. Liberal media. Get over it, guys. Most of the liberal media with peer-reviewed college studies actually are good at diagnosing the truth, a la the Pentagon Papers and other radical revolutionary articles about media and journalism. So if you deny media and journalism, you deny the truth. So let's do this. Let's do this review. Okay. What basically happened was, for decades between 1960 and 2000, employment was basically stable for manufacturing, averaged 17 million jobs. Even during the 80s and 90s, as Korea and other small Asian nations joined the ranks of Germany and Japan to threaten the dominance of U.S. factories, the absolute number of manufacturing workers stayed mostly flat. So what happened next from 2000 to 2010 should raise alarm bells to the nth degree. What basically happened was U.S. manufacturing plummeted by more than a third. Now, as you can see from the graph and the charts right here, U.S. manufacturing, 20 million factory jobs. 2010 plummeted to a death nail, and it plummeted by 27% since 2000. Okay, though the sector recovered slightly since America's manufacturing workforce is still more than 26% smaller than the year 2000. What's odd is even as factories laid off a historic unprecedented share of workers, the amount of stuff they made rose steadily. We've made more. How can this be? Well, simple. Simple as it's stated here. Okay. Okay, as stated here, basically what happened was